So today we are going to learn sharp and groove command. So start mechanical design and part design. Select first page and select plan. Draw one sketch. Sharp command means draw one axis. Material will add around this axis. Click on exit workbench and select sharp. Your first limit and second limit. Select profile and preview. Material will add around this axis. So material will add 360 degree. If you want change some angle, select first limit and give the dimensions 180 degree. Means material will add in 180 degree. This is a solid material. If you want here add hollows, select thick profile and give the dimension. First is thickness ones. If you want change the dimensions 2 mm, material will add in inner side. If you want add a thickness in other side, select dimensions and give the dimensions. Actual sketch is in a dotted line. Material will add in inside 2 mm and outside is 3 mm. If you want dimensions in same distance, select neutral fiber and preview. If you want change the direction, select reverse direction. Here is the first limit and here is the second limit. If you change the angle, some desired angle, select here. Add the dimensions of second limit, give the dimensions. So in this way you have add the material along or around the axis. Suppose you want change the dimensions, double click on a shaft and change the dimensions 360. The two angles must be less than 360. Select 0. So if you want remove the material along the axis, so here use groove. So first draw the sketch, select sketch and draw the sketch. Select one rectangle and draw the rectangle and give the axis. Material will cut around the axis. Click on a exit workbench. Select groove. Here profile select and preview. Material will cut in a 360 degree. If you want change the angle, select dimensions and change the dimensions. Dimensions will cut in halfway. Here additional option is the reverse side. Material will cut in opposite outside. If you add thickness, select thick profile and add the thickness. Thickness 1 means inner side and thickness 2 means outer side. If you want add the material or remove the material in same direction or same thread neutral fiber.